Welcome to our video. Today we will talk about intermittent fasting. It is a dietary pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting and has garnered significant attention in recent years for its potential health benefits. Let's discuss its pro-benefits. Wait! Before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Number 1. Flexibility. There are various approaches to intermittent fasting, allowing individuals to choose a schedule that fits their lifestyle, whether it's the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating during an 8-hour window, or others. Number 2. Weight loss. Combining keto with intermittent fasting can enhance fat loss. The keto diet encourages the body to use stored fat for energy, and intermittent fasting creates a calorie deficit, which can lead to more effective weight loss. Number 3. Heart health. The keto diet, when composed of healthy fats, can lead to improvements in heart health markers such as reduced triglycerides and increased HDL good cholesterol levels. Number 4. Potential longevity benefits. Some research suggests that intermittent fasting may have a positive impact on longevity by enhancing cellular repair processes and promoting autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components. Number 5. Steady energy levels. With ketosis, there are fewer energy spikes and crashes associated with carbohydrate intake, leading to a more consistent and sustained energy supply throughout the day. We're ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.